அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். போன வகுப்பில் நம்ம பிட்மாஸ் ரூலை பற்றி பார்த்தோம். இந்த வகுப்பில் எஸ்டிமேஷன் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ் அல்லது ரவுண்டிங் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ் அதை பற்றி படிக்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, எஸ்டிமேஷன் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ் எதுக்கு நம்ம எஸ்டிமேஷன் ஆஃப் நம்பர் படிக்கிறோம்? ரவுண்டிங் ஆஃப், அப்ராக்சிமேட்லி, அந்த மாதிரிலாம் நம்ம நியர்லி, அபவுட், ஒரு தோராயமான மதிப்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்போம். இப்போ நம்ம some examples பார்க்கலாம். Nearly 60,000 people watched the Republic Day parade at Rajpath, New Delhi. About 2,80,000 people of various countries died due to earthquake and tsunami on 26th December 2004 in the Indian Ocean. The India-Pakistan cricket match was viewed by about 30 million cricket fans in the television all over the world. We often come across statements like this in TV channels and dailies. Do these news items give the exact numbers? No, the numbers mentioned are not accurate. They are only the approximate or the closer values to the actual ones. This is the reason why we generally use words like about, nearly and approximately. These numbers are only the estimation of the actual value. The word about denotes the number, not exactly, but a little more or less. This value is called the estimated value. Now, we are going to learn about this estimated value. In our day-to-day life, we are using this estimated. Always we are using this some approximate value only, not the actual value. Okay, only the estimated value we are using. Now, to get a rough idea, we need estimation. For what we need this estimation? To get a rough idea, to get the estimated value, we generally round off the numbers to their nearest tens or hundreds or the thousand places. There are some more real life situation where we use this estimates also. That is, the cost of a television, refrigerator, mixer grinder, etc. are usually expressed in thousands of rupees. Yes, cost of a television is we say 10,000 or a 15,000 or a 40,000, like that. Then a refrigerator means 50,000 or a mixer grinder 5,000, like that. So it is expressed in thousands of rupees. The voters' population in an assembly constitution in a state is often stated in lakhs. The voter population in a particular assembly is lakhs of people are there in each assembly. Okay. Central or state government's annual budget is usually given in lakh crore. When an exact answer is not necessary, estimation strategies can be used to determine a reasonable close answer. Yes? Now, in this, rounding off is one of the way to find a number for estimation that is quite convenient. It gives us a closest suitable number according to the given place value. There are 4 steps involved in the rounding of numbers. There are 4 steps. Let us illustrate with an example. Now let us look at one example how to round off the given number. Round off the number 8,436 to the nearest hundreds place. Now here we are going to round off the number 8,436 to the nearest hundreds place. Here look at the first step, look at the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 4, so it is a darkened number 4. Now after looking at the hundreds place, you just see the number right to it, that is the tens place. Here we have tens place as 3. If it is less than 5 or 5, if it is less than 5, you does not change the number. Okay, leave unchanged. If it is greater than 5, then you must add 1 to the number. See the step 3. If this digit is 5 or greater, if this digit is, that is the number right to the hundreds place. The number right to the hundreds place is 3. If it is 3 is less than 5. So you should leave the 4 as unchanged. That is 8,400 is the rounding off to nearest hundreds place. Now if this digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to it. If it is less than 5, leave it unchanged. This is step 3. Step 3 is the important place. First looking at the hundreds place, then the tens place. The tens place is greater than 5 means you should add 1 to the hundreds place. Otherwise leave it. then the other two places you should put 0. So your rounded off number is 8400. Like this, there are 4 steps to rounding off numbers. Now look at the other example, 78,794 to the nearest 1000. Here look at the thousands place. Thousands place is 8. Now write to the number thousands is hundreds place. We have 7. 7 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the thousands place. So if we add 1 to the thousands place, we get 8 plus 1 9. So 79,000. All the other places you put 0. So 79,000 is the rounded off number. Instead of 78,794, we say 79,000 is nearest to thousands place. Yes. In this, we can use estimation of sum and difference also. We can add and subtract using this estimation of numbers very easily. Instead of adding this number, actual number, if we estimate and add, we feel very easy to add also. Yes. The amount deposited by a gold merchant in his bank account in the month of January is 17,53,740, and in the month of February is rupees 15,34,300. Estimate the sum and difference of the amount deposited to the nearest 1000. Rounding off to the nearest 1000 is as follows. Now amount deposited in January, actual amount, look at the actual amount, 17,53,740. We are asked to round off to the nearest thousands place. Here look at the thousands place, we have 3. Thousands place we have 3, and in the hundreds place we have 7. 7 is greater than 5, so we must add 1 to the thousands place. If we add 1 to the thousands place, we get 17,54,000. Okay, 17,54,000 as the estimated amount in the January month. Now this February month, the actual amount is 15,34,300. Look at the thousands place, we have 4 as the thousands place, and see the hundreds place 3. Now 3 is less than 5. So no need to change the thousands place, right as it is. 15,34,000 is the estimated amount. Now total amount deposited. You add these to January month and February month, you will get 32,88,000 as the answer. If we subtract it, we get 2,20,000 as the estimated difference. Yes. We can do the product and the quotient also using this estimation. Now, if the cost of a copy of a Thirukkural book is rupees 188, then find the estimated cost of 31 copies of such books. Note, find the rounded off values of 188 to hundreds. The nearest hundreds place is, look at the hundreds place, here we have 1 as the hundreds place. Then look at the tens place, the right to the number 1 is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the hundreds place, that is 200. The nearer 188 is nearer to 200, and 31 is nearer to 30. 31 is nearer to 30. So now you multiply this exact cost. You multiply this 188 into 31, we get 5,828, whereas the estimated cost 200 into 30 is 6,000. So the estimated cost of 31 copies is Thirukkural books is rupees 6,000. Like this we can do division also. 5,598 divided by 6,689. This 5,598 is estimated to nearest hundreds place, that is 5,600, and 689 is rounded off to 700. If we actual value, if we divide means we get 8. The same value we get as the estimated value also. Yes, the answer not be changed, but we feel easy to divide. Both the cases we get 8 as the quotient, but this dividing the 5600 to 700 is easy. We feel easy. So that only we are using this rounded off numbers. Yes. Now look at the exercise sum. Fill in the blanks. The nearest 100 of 8443. Here the hundreds place we have 8. Look at the right to the hundreds place is tens place, that is 4. 4 is less than 5. So leave it unchanged. That is 800 is the nearest hundreds place. Now the next one, the nearest thousands place. Here we have no thousands place. Now so look at the hundreds place. In the hundreds place we have 7, that is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means add 1 to the thousands place. So 1000 is the nearest 1000 to the 756. So underline this 8. You will get 90,000 as the 10,000s place. So here underline the 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1. You will get 90,000 as the answer. Say true or false. 8567 is rounded off as 8600 to the nearest tens. Tens place means you should look at the tens place and then the ones place. Tens place already we have 6 and the ones place we have 7. If we rounded off means we will get 8570. Here they have given 8600. So it is false. Next one, 139 is rounded off as 100. The hundreds place we have 1 and the tens place we have 3. So 100 is the correct answer. Yes. 1,70,51,972 is rounded off as 1,70 lakh. Is to the nearest lakh place they are asking. The nearest lakh place it wants. See the lakhs place we have 0. So should add 1 there. That is the nearest lakh places are false here. Yes. Estimate the sum of 15,700 and 1,57,826 and 32,469 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 place. So you write the actual value 1,57,826. The estimated value is 1,60,000. Nearest 10,000 place we are going to round off. Here the thousands place is 7. So 5 is greater than 7. You should add 1 to the 10,000 place. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the estimated value is 1,60,000. Then 32,469. See the 10,000 place 3. The thousands place we have 2. 2 is less than 5. So no need to add. That is 30,000 is the estimated value. Then add both the numbers, we get 1,90,000 as the answer sum. Estimated sum is 1,90,000. Estimate by rounding off each number to the nearest hundreds place. Now 8,074 plus 4,178. 8,074 is rounded off to the nearest hundred as 8,100. Look at the hundreds place we have 0 and the tens place we have 7. 5 is greater than 7. So add 1 to the hundreds place, that is 8,100. Next one, 4,178 is rounded off as 4,200. Look at the hundreds place we have 1 and the tens place we have 7. 5 is greater than 7. So add 1 to the hundreds place, that is 4,200. Then you add these both the numbers 8,100 and 4,200. You will get 12,300 as the answer. The population of a city was 43,43,644 in the year 2001 and 46,81,087 in the year 2011. Estimate the increase in population by rounding off to the nearest thousand. So nearest thousand, here the thousand place we have 3 and the hundreds place we have 6. So 6 is greater than 5. Add 1 to the thousands place, that is 3 plus 1 4. We get 43,44,000 as the rounded off number. And then 46,81,087. Look at the thousands place we have 1 and the hundreds place we have 0. So no need to add the, leave it as it is 1. That is 46,81,000 as the rounded off number. Now increase in population means we are going to subtract. In the 2011 we have as estimated value was 46,81,000 and 43,44,000. Both we subtract, we will get 3,37,000 as the increase in population. Thank you. Okay, thank you.